Hello, this is Dom, and in this video we're going to discuss how to create an engagement template. Now, as you can see, I'm in the testing workspace, and there are currently no engagement templates created, and we're going to work on that. So, as I mentioned in a previous video, you can look that up. Engagement templates are one of the main reasons that you'd want to build one out for your workspace is so that everybody in your workspace can operate from a shared user experience. And so, for instance, you can build a template where everybody will be following the same people, will have the same, basically the same exact engage tab built out. So I will show you an example. If I was to add a column, you have the option, you can add social accounts. So if you wanted to add these are all test accounts, they're not like real accounts. But if you wanted to, you could follow all of these accounts and you would see every post from every one of these accounts. So as you can see, we got a couple posts there. These were just samples that we were trying to test to see if they would look correctly, and some of them did, some of them didn't. But you get the idea. So you could build it out, and this one, once you create this template, everybody will be able to see all of these posts, just like you see them right here on my screen. But here's another example of a way that you can use them. If I were to add another column, and that's how you do it, you click on the add column button, and then if I was to choose topic profile, you can see the topic profiles that have been shared with this workspace. In this case, it's VA Social Program Offices. Now, this topic profile was built using something called a source group, and I can go into that a little bit more in the future in a separate video, but a source group is basically a list of URLs of social media accounts that you're following. So you go to, let's say you wanted to follow the secretary, twitter.com / secwilkie. Sorry. So you would put this you would include this URL right here in the source group, and it would start following all the tweets from that account. That's what a source group is. And you can add that source group to a topic profile and then import the topic profile as a column in your Engage tab. So if you have a bunch of Twitter accounts that you want to follow, so that any tweet that you see from that account, you can retweet, you can respond to, comment, quote, retweet, whatever you want to do, you can add it as a topic profile to your engagement template. So, and this is a whole Engage tab that we're building out here. So if I was to click this and click apply, you will start seeing all the tweets and posts to and from these social program offices. Now, if you click on these posts, you will see. Oh, sorry, I'm still creating. Usually, it will show you the activity going on here, but I'm still creating. Let's just call this. Let's call this good for now. Create and exit. Now it's saving the template. Let me close that. All right. It didn't tell me to name it yet, though. My tab template. Okay, so let me see if I can rename it. Yeah. Sample, whatever. I'm just going to call it sample template. Save and exit. And so now this is built out so that anybody that has access to this workspace can now use this template. So let's say, wrong one. Where am I at? Nope, nope, nope. None of these are going to work. All right, so let's say I click engage, and I'm just a random user of this workspace. I don't already have this template built out in my workspace, but I can build it out. And I can do so easily. Notice, I haven't even set up one yet. At least not this one. This is my tab, and it's not set up. But I can click this plus, and notice I have blank template and I have sample. Or I can create a new one of my own, a new template, or a new tab, whatever. But I want to use sample because it was already built out by my supervisor maybe, and I want to see what it is they wanted me to see. So I'm going to click sample, and I'm going to click create tab. And now everything that I put on that previous one is now going to show up here. And if I want to, notice this is VA DME tests. These are test accounts. But these are from the social program offices. Notice this 1,719 tweets, comments, posts, etc. If you were to click on one of these, notice you can see the activity. You can see the conversation, like what is this in response to? The team, this is some posts from VA Careers on Facebook. But you can go through here. All of the posts from the program offices, whether it be on Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, whatever, as long as they were added to the original source group that I pulled this from, then all of that content would be in here, and you could follow all of it. So this is what an Engage template allows you to do. It allows you to build out a custom Engage tab for your entire team in your workspace, and everybody can operate from a shared screen, seeing all the same stuff. So following all the same accounts, seeing all the same comments, all the same posts, all the same tweets, YouTube videos, whatever. So that's basically what an Engage template, like how to create one and how it is used within your workspace and how you would use it with your team.